Hello everybody, Cyrus the off-grid maker here. I just wanted to do a little update on this 127-year-old farmstead house that we're doing. I got a couple of questions on the video about the well that's on this property, the hand-dug well that's over 100 years old and still operational. Anyway, a few people commented on this property and how it was coming, so I thought I'd just do a quick video. This foundation is a brand new foundation. Those are all the original stones of the old foundation, which was crumbling and falling apart. We had to jack the house up, suspend it in the air to demo the old foundation and rebuild it. So we've got that finished. We've also gutted the inside. We've redone all the flooring, all the exterior walls. We've put new plumbing in, and we're waiting on windows right now, and then we'll keep moving. We'll build interior walls and go up from there. We're going to add a second floor, just a bedroom and a bathroom upstairs, and then we'll be redoing the roof. It's been a great project. We've had a lot of fun on this project. It's been a real pain in the rear, but these old houses are really worth saving, and I am happy to be a part of this project. So just wanted to give you guys a little update about that. So if you guys have any questions or comments about this old historic restoration, leave them in the comments. If you like these kind of videos, let me know and I'll continue to do them. Otherwise, I'll just stick with the kind of DIY off-grid stuff, but I will do these kind of videos if you guys like them, but you got to let me know. So comment, share, subscribe. Thanks a lot. Talk to you guys later.